Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create another wallet on your Trust account. So let's say you've got a main wallet already, right? As you can see here, this is the main wallet, but I'd like to create another account. Let's call it a sub account where you would like to maybe store some assets over there or to move assets into your main account. So you'd like to, maybe you're involved in different DeFi projects or different crypto projects, and you would like to kind of separate your things, right? So you want to have sub accounts, not just one. So all you do, you see where it says main wallet, you just tap on main wallet right there, and at the bottom now you'll be able to add wallet or sync to extension, all of that, right? So we are going to add wallet because we'd like to create a new wallet. So I'm just going to say add wallet, and then here it gives you two options. Maybe you already have another wallet and you just want to integrate and just have everything, you know, in one point, right, in one place. Then you would do the existing wallet where you'll be required to obviously use your secret phrase to gain access, etc. All right, now in our case we're going to just create a new wallet, all right, which is, now it's the first time. So I'm going to create this, and then that's it. So your wallet is ready and you can go ahead and fund your wallet. So this is, you know, then you'll go ahead and fund your wallet, okay? Apple Pay, like all the different options that are there, and the crypto wallet, of course, okay? This is now your address, etc. All right, it's as easy and simple as that. You can see this is the other wallet. So if you want to, let's say, anyway, you see a fund or receive crypto, okay? That's it. It's already done, guys. It's already done. So you just have to either buy and or receive, okay? So the other thing that I want to do here, I'm gonna go to my main wallet. Then you just want to just rename your wallet, right? Now let's just go here, and then I'll just say, for example, DeFi, okay? You can name this anything that you want. So this, I'll just say DeFi plays. All right, so I know that whatever I save on this particular wallet is basically like DeFi plays, whatever that I take part in, and I just want to just move funds around every now and then, etc. So it's as easy as that, guys. This, you can see it's different wallet addresses altogether, different from my main wallet, okay? You see, this is my main wallet. If I say receive, you can see that wallets are different, the wallet addresses. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.